After about a year of productive period, it produces eggs. This smallest poultry birds dispatched and sold for very low price for meat consumptions. In this video, we're happy to share with you 2 quail meat recipes. We removed the skin and head. Unfortunately, we can't show you the process. It's very important to clean the meat very well. Removed everything inside except the tiny liver. For 40 pieces of live quail, you will get more than 3 kilos of meat. 40 pieces cost us 300 pesos or less than $6. White meat with high protein. Contain vitamin A that is not found in chicken meat. Quail meat contain lower calories count. Low fat, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals to boost your immune system. This uncover alternatives for chicken and duck meat. Is waiting for spotlight to be part of regular table food in many countries. Recommend cleaning the meat thoroughly. He makes sure no blood remain in the meat. After he cleaned it, he drained excess water. And now ready to marinate. 1 medium-sized whole garlic pounded. 2 onions chopped. 3 green chilies, cut into 3 each. Ginger chopped. Bay leaf. 1 tablespoon black pepper powderized. Granulated chicken seasoning of your choice. Rock salt. 1/4 cup organic white vinegar. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 30 grams oyster sauce. 6 whole lime, cut in half. Massage the meat for 3 to 5 minutes, or until all ingredients mix so well. Finally, marinate for at least 30 minutes. In a big wok, cook the meat in a slow heat in 20 minutes, or until the sauce is almost dry. After cooling, deep fry the meat until golden brown. Don't over-frying the meat. Drain the excess oil and set aside. For the sauce. For the quail curry recipe, heat up pan and add 3 tablespoons butter. Sauté the following: 1 each red and green bell pepper, 4 pieces green chili. Add 3 tablespoons curry powder. Add 75 milliliters clean water. Bring to boil before adding next ingredient. Add 3 cups of pure coconut milk. Mix well before adding the meat. Add salt and pepper to taste. Allow to reduce the sauce so it will thicken a bit. Ready to serve. We prepare gravy sauce. Roast the flour till light brown. Add 3 tablespoons butter. Add garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. Add 1 cup water. Add 1/3 cup evaporated milk and 1 small canned mushroom, chopped thinly. We hope you can cook this recipes your own. Tell us how it turns out and where country you are living. Crispy fried adobo quail. With 2 dipping sauce. Our second menu, creamy quail curry. What your thought about this video? If you like this type of video, subscribe and hit the like button, and share the video to your friends. Thank you very much for your endless support. Bye for now.